To buy TOTO token. So before I will start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to check their X account. They have a big community there. Now, after that, keep following their updates about their token. Now, go and open the screener and find this token on it. If you don't have an account on the screener, just go and create one. Now, after that, this token, we can buy it from their website. Just go and click on their website, as you can see. Now, this is their website, as you can see. They have about their token. You can check their website too. But we need to buy this token. As you can see, you have three options. You can buy it on Magnetic, on Ledger, on X Market. So if you have any account on this one of these, you can click on it. For example, if you have an account on Ledger, you can click on it. Now after that, as you can see, connect your wallet, and after that scroll down, and you can see here enter how much you want to buy. But before that, make sure to edit the slippage. So either you want to increase the slippage or decrease the slippage, so edit what you want. Now after that, enter how much you want to buy with. So as you can see, you will receive the 5k of TOTO. Make sure you read all of these token details and about this token too. And if you are ready to go, just click on buy TOTO. And as you can see, because I don't connect my wallet, in case connect your wallet, you'll be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy TOTO token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.